We were playing some custom zombies on Rainy Death, a Black Ops 3 map that came out a few years ago. Just now playing it, maybe my fourth-ish time. Well, I kind of know what's going on. I don't really know everything about the map. I found one Easter egg. It was really easy. It had something to do with like a tomahawk.
What happened here?
We're gonna play a match of this, see how it goes, see what kind of crazy stuff happens because of this chaos modifier. I don't know everything that can happen. When I was loading in, it said 172 different effects. So, I think that's a reference to. That's wild. All I remember about Cyberpunk and its release is that it was riddled with bugs, and I'm pretty sure that's just what this is from. What does that mean? First sweeping angels, so I gotta look at them and they'll run at me. Opens.
A few moments later.
What it looks like. Alright. It's a very interesting modifier. It's kind of easy though. You can run away from everything and it won't touch you. Hello. Spawn red insta kill. I don't think it's working. They just not die? Okay, they just don't die. That's interesting. Lord have mercy, that's not cool. Okay. I wish I was at the box right now.
I feel
Assuming that's what that's for.
So surreal feeling.
I'm gonna get my free cash from the perk machine. Which there are tons of because of the Reaper collection. I went through, added in, not every single one, but just some ones that sounded interesting. Because, you know, I like to spice up the entire experience a little bit. Along with the chaos modifier. I haven't actually played round-based zombies in a really long time. Most recent zombies I have played is Modern Warfare zombies, which I'd say is very maybe like a 7-ish overall. It does have its pros. It has its cons. It was definitely new, formula. I'll have to give it that for trying it. But old zombies is where it's at, I think. A lot more arcadey than that. Explosive zombies. Speaking of explosive zombies, I remember when I first played Dead Island, and there was that bomber guy that says help me. I think I was like 8 or 9 when I first played it. Probably the most terrifying thing I've ever seen. I could feel it in my heart. I didn't like being anywhere near that war area. I was just scared in general, to be honest. Like, even just playing Black Ops 2 zombies when it first came out. I got it for Christmas, right? And I loaded in to Zombies on Town and Transit. I got scared of both of them because I just couldn't handle it. I saw zombies spawning and I just left, and I went to go play multiplayer. That still sits with me a little bit. I'm not scared of zombies. I might die here. I don't want to buy this door because it's a really good spot, so I'm just going to be careful with this sniper that I honestly need to get rid of because this is cheeks. We're going to grab the double points, bonus credit, and grab the chilling. Hit the stock.
I think this goes back to where we started.
Okay, so I get points and I'm losing points. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Chill out. Alright. Jug is also back towards spawn, I think. Because I don't think that those move. So I'll want to get that relatively soon. I probably should now, but I like gambling, so we're going to go over here. That stock market junk needs to go away.
Should have the control.
Because I need my money to buy stuff. A little irritating. Assuming this game speed also affects zombies. That's what it looks like. Not too fond of that. Ooh. I like this. So I don't know exactly which. I'm not sure if these are just like custom from a whole bunch of games, or if there's like a theme between the games, or well, from where the weapons are coming from. I mean, the few times I've played it, I haven't really noticed anything. One thing I do notice though is that everything's like killing floor themed. Absolutely love killing floor 2, by the way. Haven't played it in a while, but like playing that game for the first time and then playing harder difficulties is a challenge. I do like some challenging games. Alright, we're getting a bunch of random guns now. With me. It's gonna blow all the ammo on this because it's just gonna disappear anyways. Not very many zombies though. I can't really do much with that. I'm gonna ignore that nuke because I want some points. Like to ready this up. Okay, I do want this.
Yeah,
Alright, let's go. We're gonna go back to spawn and buy me some jug. Because... Uh-oh. I cannot go without that. I think that'd be a good idea. Especially as soon as I start getting cornered by little blue crawly dudes in the armament. He gives like a little verbal cue whenever those guys spawn in, so I'm not too worried about it. I try to press X to open the door. There we go.
Seems odd.
So the Easter egg I know of is the tomahawks. There's 3 of them. They just go on that wall right there.
Hostile troops.
I hope I can get rid of it. Okay, I just pressed 1 to, I guess, cycle through the rest of the weapons. So that's helpful to know because those weapons changing were my favorite thing, but right now it's honestly pretty chill because I just missed because I have this sniper and then I have I don't know where I got this from. I'm not complaining though. I was not paying any attention whatsoever. There's a little chalky guy right there. The thing I noticed about them is they don't die to insta-kill. So, it's not the worst because they're not very strong to begin with, I don't think. But just something to make note of because
one spot I saw.
you can't rely on being able to instantly blow them up because it don't work. No perks ones. Can I not buy any more perks? I don't know what that means.
Satisfying, actually.
It's okay though. Right, we are going to go swap out this sniper because I want to get rid of it. Oh, the strader pods I forgot.
Wonder why.
So that little D token, little D token on the right, you can spend it over here. These pods, they're very handy. I don't know exactly where all the spots are, but yeah. I can get a shield or a random perk. I'm just gonna go ahead and wait until I can get a few more because I would like to get that perk actually. If that's too. So that I get that perk. Hopefully it's a good one, and not some garbage. Random wall buy prices. Hello. I have a shield. It sounds like I have one. Well, it sounds like I have one. I don't know where I got one. Okay, because they can definitely hurt me. I don't know why I can't melee them. A little irritating. Because I would love to be able to do that. I don't know why I can't. Hey, I don't know what perk that is. I don't know what that does. I'll probably find the symbol laying around somewhere. Don't worry about it. Pack-a-Punch is down here, so that's
unacceptable levels.
yeah, that's the bomber.
Check the premises. A bigger one just appeared.
Okay. Activate this because this should open those gates down there. I might have to buy a few more things. What is this?
One hop this time. Right foot, 2 stumps.
God, that was good. Everything is slow. Move grenades. Thank you. So kind. Back off, please. What's it at?
Hopefully these builds aren't
Yeah, I think it's just slow. It'll come around. There it is. Another sniper. It's comedy. Plutonian negation. Okay, yeah, that's I remember that from Black Ops 3. That's a gobble whenever you just steal stuff, it just flies up towards the top. That's funny. Keep rotating through like the same few weapons. Hold on. Reaching. No, thank you. We're gonna leave that there and run somewhere else.
I mean, I see this. It's so incredible. Ding, 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 ding. Boom. Okay. Shin, boom.
Okay. Just watch the little icon float towards me like there wasn't a bomb on the ground. I was confused, to be honest. I didn't know what I was looking at. That's okay, though. Okay, it does give cash back. I was about to say I got scammed. That would have been crazy.
Bro takes forever to read.
Okay. Seems interesting. Not very much space on this map, though. Reminds me of stick drift. Speaking of, I hate stick drift. I'll be sitting there trying to play a game, and you know, you just can't play anything normally with stick drift. It just makes it miserable. Either this thing sucks or these zombies don't want to die. Or it's both. I don't even know. I'm gonna go through here.
based on the flooding water.
Fighter's Fizz. I think that's like
Continuing
necessary
innovation.
locate because when you go down,
Maybe this helps with
I haven't gotten it to work. I don't even really know how it works 100%, but apparently you can drink that, kill stuff, keep your perks, and then weapons, I guess, if you like that. You get a too. So kind of like fight for your life in Borderlands. If that's what it's called. Same stuff, I think. So that's the Easter egg, the little mini Easter egg complete, and then we get Tomahawk, which I was really hoping when I first saw it would be like the Hell's Retriever, Mob of the Dead. Love Mob of the Dead, by the way. But it was basically just a monkey bomb that you can stick to a zombie, and the zombie turns into a monkey bomb. It's pretty awesome, actually. Here's the perk I got. Standing in slowdown field makes zombies ignore the player. Oh wait, that's the double buy. Alright. Where is the slowdown field though? I ran into that? We'll see. Double points. Triple points? Where are all the zombies at? That's not fair. What the hell? Death perception. I want that one. Need like a conga line of zombies to line up for me in the next like 3 seconds. Please. Ooh.
Extra credit.
Fallen? Fallen?
Where does Bro think he's going?
Alright, triple points is over. I'm gonna buy
B. Hauska Doggo.
wonderful. Buy death perception because I like being able to see stuff. Basically a cheat code. How are you down already, mister? That's why. This Mothberg is kind of chill. Not gonna lie. Oh. 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 It's probably just my little attractor tomahawk. Okay. Oh, there's so many little freaking. Alright. Booska. Whitney. Ethereal Racer. Cool. I didn't even check to see if I can melee anymore. Doesn't look like I can. Okay. I'm gonna buy the box because I want a ray gun. Sounds awesome. That is not a normal ray gun. Oh, the razor back. Low-key needs more ammo. There's also a little delay between when it shoots, which is interesting. You can't hurt yourself with it. That's cool. You can get collaterals with it. That's really cool. I'm gonna go down here so I can work my way towards. Lord have mercy. So I can get Pat. Alright. I'm waiting for the prize. There you go. Going down here. We're gonna buy more doors, I think, maybe? Hopefully not. But I'm just trying to buy my Pat. Shadow Cider. I'm tempted. Very tempted. But I got priorities, so we're gonna get this.
Temperatures rising to unacceptable levels.
Oh, this here because I need to not die yet.
Hostile inbound.
Yeah. Epidemic beacon. Hello.
Max ammo.
I really hope this isn't intentional, because this is crazy. I'm not trying to play the whole game like this.
Secure.
Hello. I still can't melee. That reeks. Okay, no, this thing just has crazy recoil. Alright. I'll buy this. Are you drinking with the left hand? Okay. It's broken. What is this? Okay, it's just a wonder wall. That's awesome. Okay. Hello. You get points from taking damage. Which I wouldn't want to do. Seems kind of stupid. I wouldn't want to do that. We'll grab this. There you go. Hello. Stop. Alright. Disabled power-up spawns. I don't need no power-ups.
There it
I'm
goes.
chill. Hello.
Let's take roaming off the day.
Okay. I don't know what else there... What else there is to buy? Or discover, really? Hydraulic tasers. One-time purchase. Okay, that's like Galvanic.
But you see that sucker over there? 0 to 60 in 4.1 seconds.
There's some minigun in this back? That's honestly kind of dope. I think it's too ammo heavy though. It shoots too fast. Speaking of shooting too fast. I thought about milking. But hit the box more. Ammo. This door's on me. I think that is just 3 door purchases. I think I bought all the doors. Because there isn't like the... Yeah, okay. Oh, I do have a shield. Oh, it just didn't show it on my... Okay. Oh, it just... Okay.
You
That's
are
kinda cool.
listening to Resonance Radio. It seems like
Live through fatal damage. I like that. I like that. 2 times per round. It's like a cheat code. Oh wait, I still have this. It just completely got rid of my other gun. Ain't that something? Okay. I don't have to find this anymore. I just have it. It's kind of cool.
Extra credit.
We're gonna buy this. Remember where it was? Stop. That is insane.
Remind me of the vending machine drinks back at the base.
I didn't fully read that. Something, something, something. Something, something. Resets after 1 second. That's all I got.
Make use of this moment. It might
Freeze
help us in
time.
the long run.
Assuming a zombie is just chilling somewhere. Or it just pauses perk timers. That's just it. That's kind of cool. Chain electric melee.
How to waste money 101 with Dote.
Check the premises. A bigger one just appeared.
Problem is, I can't melee. And that really sucks. Really sucks. Melee is V. V doesn't do anything. Where's that sick tune coming from? I think the game is breaking more and more. Just ignore the fact that I missed like the first, 50 rounds out of that thing.
Extra bags. Let's not put them to waste.
I'm good, I promise.
The biggest lie of all time.
We're gonna go buy Mule Kick because I want some of that. Thank you. All I need is a revolver. Okay. I don't plan on dying because, you know, I'm a little bit past that.
Sure thing, buddy.
But we'll buy it anyways. Free Wonderwall. Kind of crazy. Hit the box. I like the little jingle that plays. Cool. Here goes my shield. My shotgun. I don't think I just ran into a dude. I don't know what that was about.
Got some extra bags.
We're gonna hit this again. Honestly, the shotgun is kind of good though. Alright, I don't think I really like this thing. I mean, like, I guess it's alright. But I just prefer a different gun.
Time to search for it.
Yes, relocating.
Alright. I'm assuming I die really quick with this hardcore thing on. Although, there are, in fact, 2 rows of perks. I know, it's crazy. I only need one of them. The game thinks I should have 2. Maybe don't do that. Okay. I tried using this like the other wonder weapon on here. Okay. Spawn red max 10. Okay, that takes all my ammo. I'm not touching that. Because that red, I saw a red skull, and that took my ability to get things away from me. So, we're not going to touch it. I don't know what this is. Poultry, I think. That's awesome. Oh, and I can see everything. Still can't melee. That is extremely tragic because I would love to get rid of that. But then,
I love Momentum
It's a lot of
Mojito.
words.
Hooray!
or just change, I don't know. What is this?
Temperature.
Ooh, I like this one. It's the running one. This thing is crazy. Just 3-shot that guy. That doesn't seem fair. Go away. Fire. Jumping down because I don't have a shield. Oh, Lord. Okay.
The champion.
That's awesome. Bro. Thing's about to run out of juice, though.
People are good jump everywhere. You can while you can.
Oh, alright, there we go. Stop hitting me. I can't even use my tomahawks. My keybinds are broken. Do I not have that? Or did I just get that?
This should give me enough boost to continue.
That was a perk that got taken. I don't even know anymore. Stop hitting me. Stop hitting me. To the moon? I don't know what that means. I don't know what half these things mean. We're learning to go. This thing also has a load of ammo. I'm not sure if it's like shared the full auto in the Wonder Walk mode, but it's kind of crazy, honestly. Okay. Standing in the vulture raid. Nothing can kill us. It's gone now. What does this thing do? I have a gobble gum right there. I'm gonna press 1. Okay, it doesn't do anything. And share perks. Go away. Go away. Go away. Cool. Trader hasn't moved. Let's buy a lottery chunk. Drops a random power up too. That's honestly kind of cool. Let's get a shield. The shields are safe. I can't even barely see my health. I gotta hurry. Let's buy a perk. No shot. I better get my weapons back. I don't want this junk. Kind of crazy though. Hold on. Grab my other guns. Alright, now I'm just stuck. Why are they just sitting there? What's going on? My taser has more juice though. Power ups. Elite players. What just changed my... Why is it E for that? T. Whoops. Wrong button. Did you just delete my guns? I'm probably about to throw hands. Don't do that. I'm a little annoyed that it just took away my little minigun. That thing was dope. I got this stupid junk. That's okay. We'll go gamble. You to use special weapon. Right. Why is it taking my juice just for having them out? That's stupid. I think it still uses my melee perks though. That's good. Okay, they have some crazy range. Uh-oh. Okay. Where is... Okay. I moved the box back here. It's lucky, because I just ran the complete wrong way. I don't know what that said, but I bought it. Oh shit. I died. This gun is cool. We're gonna pack punch this one. Might die again. Somehow. Was that Tombstone? I think that was. I don't know. Anyways, we're gonna act like that didn't happen. We're just gonna move on. Weave. Okay, so they did take the shadow fighter a little bit. Points? Points? Let's see back here. Okay, it's not letting me buy it. Alright. We're gonna get this. Why not?
Interesting.
Pack.
Let's try getting
A punch. Pack. A punch. Star and platinum. Honestly, I think I like the single one. That's a lie. I like this. This is good. Random ultra rare mega gobble fun. Crash. That's basically like a teleport to another random trash chute on the map. Kind of scary. Not the most fond of that. I'm fond of it now. I wasn't trying to die down there. Alright. I already have that bird. There's PhD for lot bird. Doors open. Okay. Tombstone. Why am I slow? Ooh, there's a door. Hold on. Open that, John. Right. Gonna take a peek at the stairs.
Door seems to be stuck. Maybe I could use something to force it open.
Put those away. Credits. Bandolier bandit. Thank you. Thank you. Give me some PhD. Please. Wonderful tunes, wonderful tunes. Okay. Thank you. Trader bot. Hello. Ammo refill or tear gas? I think I'm okay. Elemental pop. Elemental pop is awesome. Hello.
Ah, screw it. The undead are picking on it.
Man. Electric cherry.
I feel
Electric cherry number 2.
so surreal.
I think this is in the map, but I don't think you can go back there. Meep.
On credits. Need
I
some
don't really
work to
need that. Might as well. Right here.
take. Thermite.
There's a lot of Just take my points. I saw a red cash symbol for a second. I think I just got robbed. IT. I'm gonna go grab my other gun because... No, wait, where is my mule kick? Do I even have it still? Can't see it. It's not blind. Let's check. I'm not trying to... Stop.
This is a disaster.
Shadow form. What does that mean? That was up to the bottom. Oh, damn. Sweet. Connection interrupted. Don't do this. Don't do this. Please let me play. Please let me play. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and end this. I think I got Wave 23. That's not terrible, I don't think. I had fun learning all the new different chaos modifiers, having my guns taken from me, having some given to me, which was awesome. Got to try that Razorback thing. That was pretty cool. Wonderwaff and an overpowered, literally overpowered, 3-shot that freaking the blowy up guy. That's awesome. But yeah, we're gonna dip out because this isn't gonna come back. So, thank you guys for staying for this long. I hope you enjoyed watching me get through this. And I'll see you guys later.